Hey AWS family, this is Renee and Jay with June's monthly update.
Not a lot of change in this video from what we've been talking about over the past couple of months. We're still being neutral, even though the market has certainly rallied over the last 2 months or so. It's mainly been driven by a very small number of companies, completely really focused in AI. Micron is one stock that has really driven the market up a lot. So, we would tell you, and we certainly are not getting caught up in short-term focus. Short-term chasing is just really a losing proposition because in the macro, not much has changed over those past 8 weeks. Oil is still high, inflation is still high. There actually has been a shift from thinking that there were going to be some rate cuts to now most economists are leaning towards we may actually see some rate hikes during this year. A lot of the market volatility that we've been seeing is coming from rumors of peace agreement. We get good news and the market goes up, we get some bad news and it goes down dramatically. So that's going to continue, we think, for a while. Manufacturing surveys are all up, retail sales are up. The data actually says that the economy is bullish right now. And this matters because those are numbers that really can't be fudged. Those are actual numbers. However, we are seeing some debt starting to increase, especially with the younger population.
One thing that we're really focusing on is trucking, mainly because of the oil shortage and the cost of diesel. For every dollar increase of the oil, there's a 50% profit gone. If the diesel price goes up by $2, now 100% profit is gone for these trucking companies. So then the question becomes is how are we going to be able to continue to move goods with the cost of oil being so high? On the flip side though, oil only trades by the dollar. So it's causing the dollar to strengthen because a lot of these companies are having to sell their treasuries to purchase the dollar for oil purchases. The other thing that we are starting to see is over the past 2 months, gold has been flat, mainly once again because we're having to sell to buy the dollar to purchase oil, as well as the cost to mine because of oil is becoming much more expensive for these companies. So we've started to see the gold come back. It really hasn't been increasing like it has over the past few years. So that is all for this month's economic update. We do have our Medicare Lunch and Learn on June 24th in Lake Norman. We will be doing that same Lunch and Learn in Winston-Salem around the fall time. So we haven't picked a date for that, but that will be coming out over the next few months or so to let you know when that's going to be. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us or anything specifically you want us to talk at next month's monthly update. Thanks.